Hey YouTube, this is Abdel Car Fix, and this is 2006 Honda Odyssey 3.5, and we're doing the alternator on it. I've seen a lot of videos where everybody doing his own way. Some taking the light, some doing, but I haven't seen any videos talking about taking the engine mount bolt, the side one right there. See, take the side engine mount from there and jack up the engine. That's what I did. Jacked up the engine and it came out. No problem. Came out easy and did not have any issues. I think a lot of people are doing all different things on their own, but jacking up the engine, jacked up the engine about maybe 2-3 inches and it came out running, no problem. So this is an easy way to do it, guys, if you want to do alternator on Honda Odyssey and you see how tight the space is, but jack up the motor will help you getting it out very easily. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my videos.